Hello everyone, in this class let us discuss the lesson number 15 of 5th standard EVS, Our India Physical Diversity. Here one question is there, that is, what are the characteristics of Himalayan range? Answer will be, they are covered with snow, hence they are called Himalayas. They have many high peaks. There are many deep valley gorges. There are glaciers and height mountain passes. There are hot springs. There is a variety of plant and animal species. One is, what are the advantages of Himalayan mountain? Himalaya prevents the cold winds from Central Asia blowing into India. They are the sources of many North Indian rivers. They check the monsoon winds and cause heavy rain. They are like a gigantic wall and are natural northern frontiers to control foreign inventions. The next one is, what is mountain range? A mountain range is a group of a chain or mountains found close together and extended to the thousands of kilometers. Next question, which are the rivers which takes birth in Himalaya? Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra rivers have their sources in Himalayan ranges. The next one is, find out the names of animals which live in the foothills of Himalaya and make a list of these animals. They are Himalayan black deer, snow leopard, red panda, Asiatic leopard, tiger, etc. The next question is, an unusual wide and long variety in the lower Himalayas is called dune. For example, Dehradun in India. It is a popular tourist place. During summer, people visit this place. Why do they visit? Answer is, to escape the heat. Next one is, there is a pleasant climate. Third one is a beautiful scenery. Next question, if there are mountains or mountain ranges guards near or surrounding your places, write their names. Mulleyanagiri, Baba Budangiri, Kudremukha of Chikmagalur district. Along with that, we have Brahmagiri, Kodachadri, Nandi Hills, Chamundi Hills, Gopalaswamy Hills. That is, collect a picture of any animal living in foothills of Himalaya. Paste it in the blank box. Write about it in 3 sentences. So here I have pasted this photo, that is the photo of red panda. It is also called as fire fox. This feeds on bamboo shoots and berries. It is endangered species, so we have to protect it. Which area is known as food storehouse of India? That is the northern plains. Observe these pictures. Where do you find them in India? Mention the places. The first one is Pillar of Sanchi. Second one is Red Fort. Third one is Taj Mahal. And fourth one is cave temples of Ajanta and Ellora. The northern plains are fertile. Give reason. Because soil of this plain is very fertile due to deposition of alluvium by the rivers. The question is there, that is, the people prefer to live in plains of a river. Why? Because it is having all the facilities needed to lead a good life. The next question, make a list of important rivers and crops of our state. Now let us see the rivers: Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra, Godavari and Netravati. Crops: rice, ragi, jowar, sugarcane, coffee, tea, spices. Now, how the rivers are polluted? There is another question. The answer is plastic, several types of toxic waste and effluents of industries are dumped into the river water. Idols or images painted with different chemical paints are immersed in the river water. The chemical effluents which are released by industries are let into the river water. Big cities produce a large amount of garbage in different forms which is thrown into the rivers and the water gets contaminated. Mining activities also cause pollution of rivers. For example, river of Kali Bhadra. The next question. Now the Ganga river water cleaning program is under progress. Is it not correct to do this? What are the benefits of cleaning river water? Right here. Yes, it is correct. We should clean the river. What are the benefits? Let us see now. Benefits of clean river water. Improved water quality, safe drinking water. It helps ecosystem, reduces pollution. Now, which is the highest peak of Aravali Hills? That is Mount Guru Shikhar. Next, one more question. What are the advantages of Peninsula Plateau? Peninsula Plateau is rich in minerals. The rivers flowing across it are helpful for cultivation of crops. There are many waterfalls which are useful for the generation of hydroelectricity. It is favorable for agriculture, rearing of animals and industries. The next question is, mention the names of two important plateaus in India. That is Malwa Plateau and Deccan Plateau. Mention the important historical places located in the Peninsula Plateau. Hampi, Badami, Gol Gumbaz, Ajanta Ellora, Srirangapatana, Mysore Palace, Sanchi Stupa. Question is, what is coastal plains? A flat, low-lying land between the coast and higher land in the interior is called coastal plain, which is known as the gateway of Karnataka. That is New Mangalore. New Mangalore is known as the gateway of Karnataka. Next one, which sea borders the coast of Karnataka? Arabian Sea. Which districts of Karnataka have coastal plains? Uttara Kannada, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada. Name a list of major crops grown in the western coastal plain of India. Rice, coconut, cashew, spices, vegetables, millets, cotton, oil seeds and fruits. Next, there is a demand for coastal food items of Karnataka. These are exported to other countries. What are they? Seafood, coconut, spices, cashews and coffee. Now the next question is, which are the famous beaches of India? Here in Goa, Vagatur beach and Baga beach. Next one, in Kerala, Kovalam beach and Varkala beach. In Karnataka, Om beach, Kandla beach, Gokarna and Murdeshwara beach. Next question, observe the dress style and food habits of fishermen living in coastal plain. Write 4 sentences about this. They often wear simple practical clothing like shirt, lungi and dhoti. Their food habits typically revolve around seafood and rice. The next one is, name the major ports along the eastern and western ports. Eastern ports are Mumbai, Haldia, Paradip. The next one is, collect the picture of a ship, paste it in a given space, write 3 sentences about its uses. So you collect the picture and paste it on the space given here. And the next one is, what are the uses of the ship? It is used for goods transportation. It is also used for passenger transportation. It is also used for shipping. Next one is, what is an oasis? A fertile area in a desert is formed where the water comes up to the ground for surface. This is known as oasis. Write any 3 features of the desert. The desert is a vast area It is a dry land. It is sandy area with a with a little vegetation. Next one is paste a picture of a camel in the given space and write 4 sentences. Camels are able to survive in the deserts because they have broad flat toes which are comfortable to walk on the sand. Humps store fat and sufficient amount of water which lasts for many weeks. Camels are useful for transporting goods and carrying passengers in the desert. That is why camel is called the ship of desert. The next one is which part of India were affected for the last 2 years by cyclones. Collect the information of them and write it here. Last year, southeast part of India was most affected by the cyclones, that is Tamil Nadu. So I have select the suitable picture which shows the destruction of a heavy rainfall. I have just taken a picture and pasted here about the flood, destruction of flood. You can see here whole area is covered by water and earth is heating. The groundwater is dried up and there is melting of snow in the Himalaya mountains. What are the reasons for this? Think about it and discuss with your friend right here. Destruction of forest, excess use of fuels, greenhouse effect. If there is no tree means there will not be oxygen, there will not be life also. How are we benefited by the broadcast of weather report in radio, TV and newspapers? Make a list of the benefits. We can take precautions, especially travelers and fishermen. Life of people will be saved. Mention the names of any 3 protected forest area in India. Nagarhole, Bandipur, Bhadra Reservoir. Now next question. Discuss with your friends about endangered animals in India. Mention any 3 such animals. Red panda, rhinoceros and snow leopard. These all are endangered animals. What are the problems arising from deforestation? Discuss with your friends and write here. Soil erosion, climate change, flooding, loss of biodiversity. Now last question. What animals are living around your environment? Observe and make a list of them. Elephant, wolf, pig, deer, fox, cat, bison, cow, buffalo. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another notes. Until happy learning.